Experience the epitome of home entertainment with the Sony BRAVIA 8 II. Elevate your living space with a premium build quality that exudes sophistication and refinement. Every detail, from the sleek lines to the precise craftsmanship, is designed to impress. The visual experience is nothing short of breathtaking, as vibrant colors and crystal-clear contrast come alive on our cutting-edge LED panels. Witness cinematic masterpieces in stunning 8K resolution, with pixel-perfect precision that will leave you mesmerized. But it's not just about aesthetics. The Sony BRAVIA 8 II is designed to deliver sensory satisfaction like never before. With advanced audio technologies and a wider color gamut, every movie night, sports event, or game night becomes an immersive odyssey for your senses. Make a statement in your home with the ultimate display of luxury and style. Stand out from the crowd with the Sony BRAVIA 8 II's unparalleled performance and sleek design. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply unwinding after a long day, this TV is sure to become the centerpiece of your living space. With its elite presentation and premium build quality, the Sony BRAVIA 8 II is not just a TV, it's an experience. It's the ultimate bragging rights for any home entertainment enthusiast. Experience the best of the best.